Today we're replacing the Disco Star's shore power hookup. I'm just happy we finally have some nice weather to work in. We're going to unplug everything so we can replace the old hookup with this. I really like this plug because I can get 15 amps of power anywhere without an adapter. This model has two plugs. I removed the screws from the old unit. The gray residue is butyl tape from my initial installation. It's stuck, so I'm going to check inside. Here's our problem. This cord can't get through the wall. I'm gonna do a little persuading. I start off by making shallow cuts. Even though everything is unplugged, I want to minimize the chance of cutting into anything important. Now that most of the wool insulation is removed, I can pull out the rest of the cord. And this is why we're doing the replacement. I've had a tendency to drive off without unplugging first, and now there's no ground. So occasionally I've been getting a mild electrical shock. Here's the inside of that wall. This plug needs to be connected to the new unit. This directly powers the receptacle that I have in my kitchenette. It's in a tough spot, but I finally managed to get it connected. This one is for my AC unit in the summer. It gets swapped out with the block heater in winter. Everything's finished and we're ready to roll.